He's already texted me. Looks like you're going to be late, so I'm gonna go ahead and feed the kids.
Yeah.
Oh, so nice.
I know,
So
right?
sweet of him.
Like that way they can get in bed earlier. All right, sounds good to me.
Hello?
Hey, I just got your message.
Yeah, go ahead and get you something to eat on the way home. Unless you want to have a pizza with me later this evening.
That's fine. We're doing
I didn't know how late you were going to be, and it started getting really late, and I know we wanted to get them in bed a little early tonight, so Kinley's eating her chicken nuggets, and he's eating his noodles.
Sounds good. We're doing some awesomeness to my nails, so
Still there?
it's taking some time.
Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
But I was actually about to call you just to let you know to go ahead and feed them because it was going to be kind of late. I wasn't going to make them wait.
She started asking for nuggets, and then...
Yeah, they're probably hungry. It's 7 o'clock.
Yeah, she kept complaining that she was hungry, so she's eating her nuggets now. They just came out of the oven maybe 5 minutes ago. Other than that, I'm about to start with towels. Their stuff's already in the dryer. Your presents are all wrapped up.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
How many presents I got?
My whole heart.
Not counting the one that hasn't come in the mail yet. Let me see. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presents, and one of them, you already know what it is.
My box of chocolates.
Yeah. But it's something else for you to open up.
Oh, man. All right, now I got to go back to the stores. It's outnumbered here. I got to go.
No, you don't got to do that.
So sweet husband.
He's been waiting for me to leave just so he can wrap my present. Like, this is the first chance he's had to wrap my presents.
Thank you, husband, for sharing her with us. We're doing a beautiful nail for her.
I'm going to let you go so you can finish up, babe.
All right, sounds
All
good.
right, take time. The kids might even be in bed by the time you get home.
They probably will be.
All right,
I'm
love
going to
you.
get some food. All right, love you. Bye.
Bye.
Look at him
So
being all
awesome.
nice.
That's
It's
good.
fine with me. He can get everything. And now I feel bad for not telling him good night. You know, I like to tuck him in, but just being able to walk through the door and it's all done and they're in bed is nice. Like I said, it does make me feel bad though, not to tell him good night.
For the kids?
Yeah, because I'll be like, "Where's mommy?"
Oh, just mommy just like absent for a day.
Like no matter
Well,
what
a
I'm
few
doing
hours.
at night, I stop and I walk in there and I'll tuck him in. 'Cause usually I'm like vacuuming or doing the dishes.
You're such a good mom.
I try.
You're so awesome, mom. Trust me, you're seeing a lot of one of my friends' at daughter, and she keep having pooping out baby, and she abandoning it. So then her mom's had to keep adopted the grandkids. You know, it's like
Aw. Look, my friend got her nails done. The girl I work with that's a nail technician that I told you about.
yeah.
My friend got her nails done by her. She just messaged me and said, "Do you like them?"
Do you like it?
They're pretty. I mean, mine are way prettier.
Can I see?
Yeah, that's
You
right.
have picture?
Yeah, right there. She just got them done. So at work, we
That looks good. Shorter.
yeah, she likes them shorter probably. So we did like stocking. We filled each other's stockings, drew a name. So Carol was picked by Sparkle. Her name, that's a nail technician, and that was her gift. She just wrote on a piece of paper one free full set of nails. So she went today and got her nails put.
That's for the holidays, don't we, pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Especially when it's free.
Yeah, she likes the like square ones.
She have a little shorter one.
Yeah.
Oh, like once you're all done, just take a selfie. With the nails.
I know. She said, "Do you like them?"
Looks cute. I like the color too, the nude color.
Look at me trying to tie it.
I know, you just give yourself a couple hours.
Yeah, but yeah,
I was just fine with the other shape, and now I'm like, I think it's just the way my phone is. Normally I'm holding it like that.
Well, like your thumb is have a lot more area than your
Yes.
index. Like sometimes I even try to like, okay, I'm gonna stop using my index. I'm gonna go my thumb. a little weird tap when it lay down, but somehow you still tap a little bit faster when you do your thumb. I guess like one thing I don't like about having long nails is I can unbuckle myself. Sitting in the car, I can unbuckle it.
Yeah, the kids' car, my kids' car seats used to see me. Hopefully, I'll be all right. I gotta like use my like this to do their car seats.
You just realize there's so much more different.
And your jeans, trying to button your jeans button. And the zipper. The zipper. The zipper's the hardest part. You're like.
Yeah.
I think that's the toughest thing I struggle with is the zipper. Oh my gosh.
Just bling out.
Hiếu,
That is
quay một cái này.
gorgeous.
Tắt
Wow.
tắt nha.